So what is the discriminant? It's this thing here, b squared minus 4ac, where a, b, and c are got from any quadratic equation you're trying to solve. So a is the number in front of x squared, b is the number in front of x, and c is the constant that's left over when your whole quadratic equation is equal to 0. And what does it do? Well, the discriminant, this b squared minus 4ac, discriminates between how many solutions a quadratic equation has. So it separates which quadratic equations have 2 solutions, 1 solution, or no solution at all. And how does it do that? Well, you'll notice your b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is part of the quadratic formula, which gives you solutions to quadratic equations. So here you go, there's your discriminant, b squared minus 4ac, which is the bit that's inside the square root bit of your quadratic formula. Right, so if your b squared minus 4ac is a positive number, if your discriminant is a positive number, it will give more than one solution to your square root, because if you square root a positive number like 9, so if you square root 9, you get a positive 3 and a minus 3. Same is true with any positive number. When you square root it, you get 2 solutions, equal and opposite solutions. And that means this quadratic formula is going to have 2 solutions, because if you stick 2 numbers into any formula, you're going to get 2 solutions to that formula. But if your b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is 0 instead of a positive number, then when you square root 0, you're just going to get 0. You're not going to get 2 different solutions. If you get plus or minus 0, it just means 0, which means your whole quadratic formula is only going to have 1 solution. And if your b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, only has, it basically is only a negative number, then you can't square root it, and you're going to have no answer at all to the square root, and therefore no answer at all to the whole quadratic formula in that case. So basically, if you've got a quadratic equation that gives you a positive b squared minus 4ac, i.e. A b squared minus 4ac that's greater than 0, you're going to get 2 roots. Roots just means the solution to a quadratic equation when it's equal to 0. That's all. Okay, so it just means the solutions, right? So when your b squared minus 4ac is positive or greater than 0, you're going to get 2 solutions. If your b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, you're just going to get 1 solution, and if your b squared minus 4ac is negative, you're not going to get any solutions at all to your quadratic equation.